Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Punjab Congress Chief Amrinder Singh Rajawardene on Wednesday stoked a fresh controversy as he called 2019 Pulwama attack a mystery and claimed that the ruling BJP can do anything to win the elections. Pulwama attack still remains a mystery, he said, about which even then Lieutenant Governor had raised questions. BJP can do anything during the elections. Punjab Congress chief, who is also candidate from Ludhiana Lok Sabha constituency, videos of a ring statement comes days after the former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, called the Poonch attack a stuntbazi that triggered a political firestorm. Channi's remarks was in the backdrop of recent terrorist attack on an Indian Air Force convoy in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch. This is stuntbazi, he said. When elections come, such stunts are done to make the BJP win. These are pre-planned attacks. There is no truth in them, Channi had said while speaking to the reporters in Punjab. BJP leader Shehzad Poonewala hit out on the Punjab Congress chief, saying that grand old party is doing vote bank politics over the cost of national security. He accused the Congress of giving clean chit to Pakistan, Ajmal Kasab and other jihadis. Earlier, a senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad lashed out at Channi's remark, questioning if the Congress is speaking in the favor of the terrorists. What can we say? Ravi Shankar Prasad said that if they are making such statements on national security, are they speaking in favor of terrorists? After Uri and Balakot, Rahul Gandhi asked for proof. They said that we do politics on martyrdom. The same is happening now. These people make agreements with terrorists. They take no action against PFI because they want vote bank. Those who have done this will be finished, but martyrdom should not be mocked, he said. An Indian Air Force soldier was killed and 4 others were injured in terror attack in the Poonch district of Jammu Kashmir that occurred on May 4. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.